Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. So for today's Vlogmas, it's gonna be a shopping day. You heard that right, it's gonna be a shopping day. So let me just put some lip balm in, since I don't want to put lipstick when I'm going out because I will be wearing masks anyways. I'm gonna put this lip balm from Burst Bees. This is the tinted lip balm, and you guys, this is, look, absolutely the best. So I'm gonna be going to Target again for I don't even know how many times, but I'm gonna pick up the stuff that I ordered from Target. So this is the 3-drawer wide cart, you'll see it later, but yeah, I'm gonna pick that up. And also tomorrow I will be doing a like a whole vlog for like wrapping, and also I'll buy wrapping paper. My husband is giving me some cash to buy more wrapping paper because I will be wrapping his niece and nephew's gift as well, and also my dad-in-law. So we have like a lot of packages that I can't like really show, but yeah, some of the packages arrive for like, you know, family's present. That's why I can't like really show it to you, but I will be doing like a how to like wrap, because you guys are loving my wrapping skills. Thank you so much. But you know, I just copied it freaking Pinterest anyways. So anyways, let's go because I still have to put this trash outside too. So I'll be using this bag. Actually, this bag I got from shoulder bag I got from Target, and I have some hand sanitizer there. I just put my lip balm there, and I'll be using this since I have plenty of cash, and key pouches don't really fit with so much Cash Plus card, so I'm just gonna use my Prada wallet. I'll put it here inside. And I also love this, even though it's very simple, it can fit quite a lot as well here, for good for like everyday like running errands. So I'm just gonna put the wallet right there, and look, it fits nicely in this bag. Yeah, I got this bag it's been like a year, I would say. And of course I have my hair clip. I'm trying to upload a video, it's still running. Yeah, I'm trying to upload this video. So yeah, I have my hair clip here as well, and a bunch of SD cards here, and my Starbucks cup. But yes, my table is a little bit messy and all over the place right now, but anyways, I'm just gonna run some errands, you guys, and I'll take you guys with me. Alright guys, I'm going now. I have to stop by at the gas station first before going to Target, because I am low on gas. And maybe tomorrow I'm gonna ask my husband to help me put some washer fluid on my car, because I don't have washer fluid anymore. Like, my car kept telling me to put some washer fluid on my car. Okay, I will do it, but I do have washer fluid already. So anyways, let's just go. Life hack, I'm also looking for like a laundry basket that's like foldable. Which one is good? Alright, I got this stuff. There's a lot of people in Target. I think a lot of them are like last minute Christmas shopping, so that's myself. Yeah, so I have the 3 big this is like a storage drawer, because I need this. We need to put some clothes on that storage drawer, because some of our like clothes, especially jeans, are very unorganized, and we don't want to hang all of like the thick clothes, because there's this one time our closet like literally just collapsed, because I have my bags, I have thick coats and his coats, so it literally collapsed. So I'm gonna try my best to put or organize it, hopefully this Sunday. I'm gonna have to get that done because our closet is just a whole mess. lot of wrapping paper. I'm gonna get the red one, the plain red, and the disaster. Oh my goodness, it's like boxes everywhere with empty shelves. Like, what's going on here? Also, I'm here at Marshall's as well because Marshall's is like just right across, not right across, it's like beside Dollar General. And I just got 2 wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree, the plain one, the plain red, and the checkered red. So, and I also got some tweezers because my tweezer, yeah, this one right there, the $1 tweezer. Anyways, let's go here to Marshall's because I have to look something for my dad. I think for my dad and also for my my mother, both of my in-laws, and also my sister. I think for my sister-in-law, I already have in mind for her. I just have to order it online, and yeah, I have to wrap the presents as soon as possible, maybe like tomorrow, because I don't want to be like late. So anyway, you guys, let's go to Marshall's. Put this mask on. They have Neutrogena Boost here for $8. They have this at Marshall's. I'm at the bag section at Marshall's. I'm just looking for bags because I got like 3 people that I want to give some bags, so I'm just looking at some bags here. I don't like the color of this. It's like for a bag. Ugh. I don't like the design here, so I might look. I don't know. Guys, they have Disney cups and they're eco-friendly. You guys, I got everything, and I want to show you this paper as well. It's like a brown paper with green dots. This is a little bit expensive. This is $3.99, and I got 4 bags from Marshall's, which is covered my friends and family. The only person that it's not covered yet is my husband, but I'm gonna be buying him something on probably online because I see some stuff that I want to get him, so I think I'm gonna do it online. And also my sister, actually I have to order hers online as well, but all of my friends is covered. And as much as I want to show you guys what I got from Marshall's, I can't, but oh my goodness, like I'm so bad. Like, I want to show it to you. Anyways, before I even like show it to you, I'm just gonna go now because it is already late. It's 6 p.m. Guys, I think that's Santa Claus right there. They always do this in like the neighborhood. Oh, it sucks you can't see it. That was definitely Santa. They woke up the whole neighborhood. Am I happy to see Santa? Yes, I am. So anyways, I think they do that every year. They would like go in a neighborhood and, you know, just kind of like a parade. So yeah, thank God. I'm like, wait, am I being pulled over? Because I was already in the neighborhood and I saw like the lights and I pulled over. And they went to the other way first. I'm just like, oh, I thought I'm like getting pulled over. So it was just Santa trying to pull me over, asking me if I'm naughty or nice this year. Anyways, you guys, I also stopped by at Michael's and I want to show you what I got from Michael. Anyways, like I said, I also stopped by at Michael's to get more berry pick and twine. Oh my god, finally I found the twine and I got the, I think this is both in like color brown right there, and I also got the white, cream white looking, which is, this one is, how much are these? I forgot. They're like $2, $3 each. And then I also got some glue gun. Finally, I got some glue gun. And I can also like always use glue gun anyway. So speaking of glue gun, I have the glue sticks as well. How much was the glue gun? I think the glue gun was just $2.99. Yeah, it was $2.99. And the okay, this one is it's $3.99. So this one is $3.99. All right, moving on. I also got more pick. Okay, so the name of this is pick. Right there, it's pick. So this one is like red, white, and green pick. Really good. This one is very just gold. This is good with the white wrapping paper, so that's why I picked this up, and it's also very extra. Another one we got, same one with the first one, so I got like 2 of these because I believe they're like $1.99. Hold on. And the next one is this 2 berry pick, which is just red with a like a little bit fake leaf green. So that's that. So thank God they still have stocks on twines, because I was afraid that they don't have it, but thank God they have some twine. And I also got this Target. It's a red pick as well. This is $6. Very expensive. And I got some mighty patch. You guys, I have been using this mighty patch. Like, this is really good if you have like blemish or for like upcoming pimple. They have the red. I have the red one, the blue one, and also the green one. Love it. I was working on this like little pimple right here, and I put the, how do you call it, the green one, the micro blemish. It did great. Like, it's amazing. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon tomorrow. Bye.